हम साथ साथ हैं. Same problem. 7 o'clock shift. I was there at 7:15 in the morning. Huh? He showed me the watch. I said, "Nice watch, Suraj Babu. New one." 7:15. Everyone ready with dress and all. That's okay.
at Navi. So that has been
No,
struggle.
I do it on my own only. That 10 more I only give. Before anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast me. And he was there right in front of me at every given time, whether it be dubbing, whether it be the casting, whether it be one more retake, it would be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point in time, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But I'm sure that 120, no, 100, 1 crore 11 lakhs or 20 lakhs का जो बजट गया होगा उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा. Because if you calculate that, those 10, 15 retakes, if you calculate कि उस वक्त तो we used to shoot on negative, तो raw stock used to be very expensive also. सो एक रिहर्सल हुआ, एक टेक हुआ, सेकंड टेक हुआ, नहीं रिहर्सल कर लो चार पांच रिहर्सल ठीक हो गए, फिर वापस से किया. सो दैट आई रिमेंबर दैट वन वी गॉट स्टक ऑन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट देयर इज दैट वन सीन, माँ तू ऐसा कर, तू मेरे लिए ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ, बॉय कट, ये वो बॉब कट वगैरह, वो दैट सीन. वी स्टार्टेड एट 9-10:30. द लेट आना का हमेशा से थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम था फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फिल्म. अरे हाउ मच टेंशन यूज्ड टू गिव मी यार. Because abhi tak, that sadma is still not gone. That everyone's going to be waiting. So I used to try and go to sleep at 9 o'clock. 9:30 has to be wide awake. And then from there, trying to sleep, tossing, turning. और यही ख्वाब आते थे कि लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, उठो, लेट हो जाऊंगा. And then, वाकई में I used to get late. फिर वो नींद मुझे आती थी 6:30 बजे कि 5 में सो जाता हूँ. Suddenly I have to wake up 8:30 बज गए. And now I've got to reach Natras studio Andheri. So sit in the car means drive. The Lakshman Dada used to drive me. I used to park the car on the highway. I used to run off. I used to do parkour then. I used to run into from the highway. I used to come into State Studio, jump the wall of State Studio, run into Natras and stand there. Where are you? Your car? There's a car is outside there, parked. When you came? I was here at 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एक दिन. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall and he sees me in high speed. He's standing right next to the wall. I said, this is not fair, Suraj Babu. Yaar. Suraj, yaar, don't give me this time ke 9 baje yaar. 7 o'clock shift, I'll never be late. But 9 o'clock is that time that you fall asleep. So one day in, what is that? Hum Saath Saath Hain. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, same problem. 7 o'clock shift. I was there at 7:15 in the morning. Huh? He showed me the watch. I said, nice watch, Suraj Babu. New one. 7:15. Everyone ready with dress and all. That's okay. Next day, I went there at 4:30 in the morning, dressed up, and I sat down there. 4:30 in the morning, party करके चला गया वहाँ पर. There. So then I think More was there. He called up Suraj Babu in the room. He says, वो सलमान भाई आके रेडी मेकअप के साथ बैठ गए यहाँ पर. So he comes 5:30 in the morning. He says, I'm married man, I've got children. Don't do this to me.
But this has been a journey. Then came Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I wrote the script. And honestly, when I wrote the script, when we wrote, not many had the faith in this. So I remember Salman Bhai, Sangeeta both came to the house, and when I narrated him, he loved the script. One of the few people who loved, and he said कि इस picture में best ये कि ना कोई hero heroine कोई नहीं है, सभी hero heroine है, including the dog. And literally he was a big star at that time, and there have been songs where he's like a junior artist, a dancer sitting in the Samdi Samdan गाने में पीछे 6-7 दिन तक सिर्फ ताली बजा रहे हैं. My DOP, my assistant asking, sir, he'll feel bad. But nahi, he's there and he's clapping because he knew the film. Then came Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain mein I casted him in a sober role. And I remember that time, he told me, Suraj Babu, let me do the third role. I said, नहीं सलमान वो सब हम लोगों ने कर लिया, एक संजीदगी ऐसा एक करेंगे ऐसा role. So he agreed and he did. And yes, after the release, a lot of people told me, Arey, we wanted to see Salman Khan in that role, in this role. But I felt, oh, did I make a mistake? But the best part was when his dad, Salim Saab, came out of the trial, he says, Salman, this is your best role. So this has been our journey. In Hum Saath Saath Hai, I remember I wanted Salman Bhai, he was a character who was saying, why is there poverty outside? Why is there suffering outside? Why is there dukh outside? That was the character. And what we have here in this film is the same Prem who has the answer to all those questions. So Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is our answer to all those questions, all those answers to all the journey that we have had together to answer and to tell us what this Ratan Dhan is all about. So this is our journey, Salil. This has been where we have come.
So it's a complete circle that is finally closed. It's been wonderful. A big round of applause there for what we saw.
After seeing this, the screen test, I just realized that how similar Suraj and me used to be then. What happened to me? It's because of you.
So there's a small question. It's a very big word that... Yeah, please, please. इस पिक्चर का मैं एक सवाल करना चाहता हूँ आपसे. लास्ट ईयर एक शब्द बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, उससे पहले शायद भारतीय लोगों को ये पता नहीं था, वर्जिन. इट वाज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड इस पिक्चर में भी किसी का ये ऐसा नाम है सर. तो इसकी कहानी क्या है?
क्या सिली स्टार्ट इसी से किया.
सोचा कि गूगली डाला जाए.
All the scenes that I have written till now with him, मैंने हमेशा ना एक राम लिखा, then कृष्ण ये बनाते हैं. So this has been our rapport since he has his own way of putting this Prem. So इस फिल्म में there is Anupam ji's role, Anupam Kher's role, who's playing a prime minister of a royal family. So when I conceived the role, I said, okay, this is Anupam sir. I told him that this is your role. And you are very much honored with the late Maharaj because जब आपकी शादी हुई थी तो बारात आप महल से निकाली थी महाराज ने. आपके दोनों बच्चे abroad रहते हैं. आपको बार बार बुलाते हैं but आप नहीं जाना चाहते because of your love for the royal family. तो अनुपम जी ने अपना माइंड सेट किया, कपड़े वपड़े बने, आधा सीन पिक्चर शूट हो गया. एक दिन ये बोलते हैं कि नो, ही शुड बी अ वर्जिन because he has a special relationship with Anupam. So where does this come? We don't know. हम तो कोई और किरदार लेके चलें. And he wants to conceive a certain humor with Anupam sir. Anupam जी मुझे बोले मेरी तो वाइफ, मेरे तो बच्चे, तो ये कहाँ कैरेक्टर जा रहे हैं. मैंने कहा ये सब कैंसिल, राष्ट्रीय फिल्म में कहाँ आएगा ये. तो मैंने बोल दिया ये सब नहीं. पर इन्होंने टेक शुरू किया, इन्होंने बोल दिया वर्ड, ओके हो गया, बिकॉज सब हंस दिए. अब उसको निभाते निभाते हमको पूरे 3-4 सीन करने पड़े. So this is what he is. He gets his way out. So this is how this.
But there's always a nice tadka to it. That's why the taste always remains fantastic.
Called Bapu in the film.
Yes.
So now this is the backstory that I knew, but now we've not showing the backstory. So I said, Bapu, now Bapu is giving me advice on how to lubhao Sonam, Maithili. तो I said, आपके कन्याओं के एक्सपीरियंस से आप मुझे बताइए कि इस ब्यूटीफुल नारी को मैं कैसे लुभाऊं. Now he realizes कि मेरे पास तो कोई कन्याओं का एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं. तो after I said, सिर्फ नाम के बापू है, वर्जन बापू, and I ran away from there.
So that's what this film. It has bits of him and bits little like these things.
अच्छा, very conveniently all this stuff is put onto me right now.
अच्छा, एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे एक सवाल था. When we saw glimpses of 2 different yous. अब तो बाहर कुछ खबरें भी आ गई हैं कि there are 2 yous in this film. It's a double role. I'm sure you can confirm that also. What is that?
No, it's a double role.
So what is that zone? One good and one bad?
There is no Ratan. There is Vijay and there is Prem. Now he'll be the best person to describe both the characters.
There is a double role in this film of Salman Bhai. One is a Prem who does Ram Leelas, who's from Ayodhya, who knows the Ramayana Kanthast every doha. And there is a prince, there is a Vijay, there's a prince who speaks French, Italian, German. There is one prince who says that अगर इसे ही family कहते तो हर आदमी अकेला तन्हा ही अच्छा. And there is a Prem who says that हर family में problem है but वो खुश नसीब है जिनकी family होती है. So in this film we have two Salmans debating on family, on the base of family, on the sanctity of family, and both loving in their own ways. Both are right. No one is wrong. So this is what, yes, there is a double role.
I like the confirmations. You know what I'll do before we got a little surprise? I would open out to anybody who want to ask any questions. And
तो इस बार हमें
वन शॉट के लिए जब हम लोग जा रहे हैं अयोध्या से हम लोग जा रहे हैं राजस्थान, तो संजय मिश्रा हमें छोड़ने जा रहे हैं, तो उनके पास एक पिंजरे के अंदर एक तोता है. वो बोलता है कि बोलता है आई लव यू मिट्टू, आई लव यू. तो तोता भी बोलता है आई लव यू, आई लव यू. ये चल रहा है सीन के अंदर, चल रहा है आई लव यू, आई लव यू. और हमको मत छोड़ के जाओ यार, आई लव यू यार, कहाँ छोड़ के जा रहे हो आप हमको यार. तो आई लव यू, आई लव यू. तो मैं जाके पिंजरा खोल देता हूँ, मिट्टू कम बैक, आई लव यू टू, आई लव यू टू, आई लव यू टू करके मिट्टू निकल जाता है. सॉरी, दैट इज व्हाई ही डिडंट कीप इट. अब मुझे समझ में आया.
No,
Hi Salman, I'm from the Buzz Diary.
It is just that but there are horses in this, there are elephants in this, there is coronation scenes, there is a very important carriage sequence in the film.
Beautiful sequence there.
It's a very important sequence in the film. So the horses are very much there.